Porcelain tile is one of the most popular materials used in modern floors, walls, kitchens, bathrooms, and commercial buildings. It can look like natural stone, wood, concrete, or even marble, but behind its appearance is a carefully engineered manufacturing process. So, what exactly is porcelain tile, and why is it so strong? Porcelain tile is a type of ceramic tile made from a refined mixture of natural raw materials, including clay, feldspar, silica, and other minerals. What makes porcelain different from ordinary ceramic tile is mainly the type of raw materials used, the manufacturing process, and the extremely high temperature at which it is fired. The process begins with carefully selected mineral materials. These ingredients are crushed and mixed with water to create a uniform mixture. The material is then processed into a fine powder and pressed under very high pressure inside specialized molds. This pressing process is extremely important because it creates a dense and compact tile. After pressing, the tile is dried to remove excess moisture. Depending on the desired design, manufacturers can then add colors, patterns, textures, or decorative layers to the surface. The next step is one of the most important: firing. The pressed tiles are placed inside industrial kilns and heated to extremely high temperatures. During this stage, the minerals react and fuse together, transforming the compact powder into a hard, dense ceramic material. This is what gives porcelain tile many of its characteristic properties. One of the biggest advantages of porcelain is its low water absorption. Because the material is so dense, very little water can penetrate into it. This makes porcelain especially useful in areas exposed to moisture, such as bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, and outdoor spaces. Porcelain is also known for its durability. It can resist scratching, wear, and heavy foot traffic, which is why it is commonly used in shopping centers, airports, hotels, offices, and other high-traffic environments. But there is another fascinating part of modern porcelain tile. Its appearance can be engineered. Using advanced digital printing technology, manufacturers can reproduce extremely detailed patterns on the surface of the tile. This means a porcelain tile can imitate the appearance of marble, granite, natural wood, cement, stone, or other materials. Some porcelain tiles even have patterns that continue through much of the tile's body. These are often called full-body porcelain tiles. Another important characteristic is that porcelain can have different surface finishes. A tile can be polished to create a smooth and reflective appearance, made matte for a more natural look, or textured to provide additional grip. The manufacturing process can also produce large-format porcelain slabs. These enormous panels can be used for walls, countertops, furniture surfaces, and architectural applications. Because they have fewer joints, they can create a clean and continuous appearance. However, porcelain tile isn't perfect. Its density and hardness can make it more difficult to cut and install than some conventional ceramic tiles. Specialized tools are often required, especially for thick or large format pieces. The surface can also become slippery when wet depending on its finish, which is why the correct type of tile must be selected for each environment. So, the next time you walk across a porcelain floor, remember that you're not simply walking on decorated clay. You're walking on a material created through a combination of mineral chemistry, extreme pressure, high-temperature firing, precision manufacturing, and digital design. From a mixture of minerals to a finished architectural surface, porcelain tile is a perfect example of how humans can transform natural materials into highly engineered products. And that's what makes porcelain so interesting. Its beauty may be visible on the surface, but its real strength comes from what happened inside the factory.